Vitamin A is important for the body, as it helps with growth, bone development, and maintaining skin and eyesight health. Some people may have low levels of vitamin A due to certain conditions, such as protein deficiency, diabetes, hyperthyroidism, and liver or pancreas problems. This can lead to vision problems, like night blindness, and permanent eye damage. If you have a normal diet, you may not need extra vitamin A, but if you're experiencing any of these conditions, Xcellent A 7500 can help to prevent or treat low levels of this essential vitamin. The daily dosage is 7,500 micrograms, 25,000 unit, and it is best to take it with a meal for optimal absorption. When taking Xcellent A 7500 7,500 mcg, 25,000 unit, capsule vitamin, it is best to take it by mouth, with or without food, usually once daily. Make sure to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. If you have any questions, it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. For those using the liquid form of this medication, it's crucial to carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device/spoon. Avoid using a household spoon, as you may not get the correct dose. The dosage of this vitamin is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. It's important to use this vitamin regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help remember, take it at the same time each day. Do not increase your dose or use this vitamin more often than recommended. Your condition will not improve any faster, and your risk of side effects will increase. If your condition lasts or gets worse, it's essential to inform your doctor. If you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. When taking Xcellent A 7500 7,500 mcg, 25,000 unit, capsule vitamin, it's important to use it as directed to avoid any potential side effects. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction may occur, so it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It's also important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other unusual effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. As always, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, and they can provide guidance on the optimal dosage and timing for taking Xcellent A 7500. Before taking Xcellent A 7500 vitamin, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. Some brands of this product may contain inactive ingredients like soy, which could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to let your doctor or dentist know about all the medications and herbal products you are using before having any surgery. During pregnancy, it's safe to use Xcellent A 7500 vitamin in recommended doses, but using higher doses may harm an unborn baby. It's best to consult your doctor for more information. This vitamin is also safe to use while breastfeeding, as long as it is in recommended doses. Again, it's important to consult your doctor for more details. Remember to take the recommended dosage of Xcellent A 7500 vitamin, and it's best to talk to your doctor about the optimal timing for taking it. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Xcellent A 7500. This vitamin may interact with medications such as acitretin, allotratinone, and warfarin, as well as products containing vitamin A, like multivitamins. It's also best to avoid taking vitamin A at the same time as neomycin, orlistat, and mineral oil. If you take any of these medications, it's recommended to separate your doses from your dose of vitamin A by at least 2 hours. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If you suspect someone has taken too much Xcellent A 7500, call for emergency help immediately. Symptoms of an overdose can include severe headache, tiredness, dizziness, mental/mood changes, vision changes, dry/peeling skin, bone/joint pain, loss of appetite, yellowing skin/eyes, dark urine, and severe stomach/abdominal pain. This vitamin supplement should not be used as a replacement for a balanced diet. It is important to obtain your vitamins from natural, healthy foods. Foods such as apricots, oranges, peaches, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, dairy products, and eggs are good sources of vitamin A. It is recommended to seek advice from a healthcare professional or a nutritionist for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the usual time. Don't take extra doses to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Xcellent A 7500 mcg, 25,000 unit, capsule vitamin, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist for guidance. Avoid storing it in the bathroom and make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it's time to dispose of this vitamin, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed. Instead, properly discard it when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on the proper disposal method. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.